Hello, Bhargav. Very good morning. Yes, I look very different without the specs. I totally agree. Plus, I also shaved completely after a long time. Um, I'm going to get in the OI data. Just a moment. Just keeping it ready in case we need. We don't want to miss out those details. Hello, everyone. Very good morning. So, welcome to the stream. As you see, let's go to the 15 minutes candle. This is 30 minutes, sorry, 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes candle has made a high over here and a low wick is over here. And the current market is trading within the first candle. So we got to really wait to have a confirmed patterns. As of now, it is non-directional. uh, we cannot enter into any trade till the breakout happens. So let's give the market some time. We can enter in. It's nothing like you cannot do it. You can. Only thing is that the logic for our entries will be little flawed in the opening trade because market has been consolidating in this area for some time, and if there is any breakout from here, either side, it's going to be like at least some 400, 500 points, and you cannot go on averaging, right, if the trade is wrong. So let's get some confirmation and enter into the right side of the trade. All this. Hi Parth, very good morning. Let's switch to 5 minutes candle. So we are still trading within the first 15 minutes candles length. So we'll wait. Meantime, some strikes that we can. Hi Divya, very good morning. Hi Nihas, very good morning. Srividya, good morning. So the strikes we would like to add is like 45k PE and 44,600 CE. These are the two things that I would be watching, because if I want to play on the call side, I want to play like 200 points ITM. If I want to play on the put side, then 200 points ITM on the put would be 45k. So these are the two strikes that I will be watching, watching out. Um, Let me also have the graph. Hello Ganesh, very good morning. How are you? Been long time. It's trying to. It has reclaimed 900 levels. Just that the peak is over here, right? Like 925, I think, is the peak. If it crosses over that, that will be wonderful. So we will have some directions. If not, what it means is writers are going to erode the premium for maybe an hour and then give a breakout. So writers would be enjoying straddles, long, no, short straddles that they would have created last week and yesterday. So they will be riding on some profits over there. Until then, until we see a clear breakout, we don't want to jump onto any trade. Yeah, really a long, long time, Ganesh. I think almost like after some 3 months or so, or even more. I think. Hope everything is great at your end. So what's up, guys? Anyone have already jumped into any trade or waiting patiently? Okay, Lakansh there is waiting. Parth is also no trade set. Divya is still in the 5 minutes range, so still waiting. Srividya is also waiting. Business turbulence. Oh, I am very, very sorry to hear that, Ganesh. My heartfelt condolences. Uh, I mean, yeah, it certainly affects her life upside down. Um, mm, I can totally relate to it. Last year, I lost my father. Uh, it's that void is irreplaceable. I'm very sorry for your loss. Hope things get better. Only time heals. Just to get get to terms with that takes almost an year. Just to accept the fact that they are not there anymore itself takes an year. Um, all red candles. Mm, anything that turns green is getting sold. So Parth is asking, market opened at day I, so likely downtrend. No, see, we cannot be looking at market this way. Uh, I would rather argue like here. You see, all were like long wick, right? Just now, and you see this one. All these were like long wick, so it's finding so much strength to go up. We can also see it that way. And why we cannot say that, when market is giving a gap up, why it need not necessarily go down? Because what is the trend that has been preceding it? The preceding trend is for the last week it is a downtrend, but the overall long position, if you see, it is in a this one can be considered as a retracement. So when the retracement is over, it should continue to go further higher, right? Like it's quite positionally I'm talking. So positionally it can go up. Um, tr- for last week, if you see, it looks like downside, and then people are expecting more fall. So it's both are possible. Market might further go down. That is a great possibility. But at the same time, if they hold on to 45K once again, then bulls will take it further higher. There is going to be big challenge. So the greatest opportunity for the bears is that they should break 44,500 and try to attempt to break 44K this week, failing which bulls will again attack massively. So it's going to be like a huge battle between the bears and the bulls this week. Uh, we will have to be on the right side of the trade, because if we are on the right side, not only that, we will be making good profits, but the number of trades required to make those profits would be very minimal. All you need to do is take positionally certain things, hold on, and ride along. Because once the breakout happens on either side, it's going to continue there from there, almost like about 1,500 points. So uh, just get the right trade, hold them positionally. Maybe you can even try September month end contracts, then wait for it. So here, still it didn't break. You see, this is the 915 candle. This is the low. It has not yet broken. Welcome, Parth. Welcome. Yeah. But the easy thing is that yes, when you see a gap up, getting into the put side makes sense. Why? Because the first 15 minutes candle is always like a long candle. If it has already given a gap up and then they want to form the wick, they have to come down. So it's but it's all like very speculative trade. Not a scientific trade, it's a speculative trade, which we don't want to do today. Right. So let me clear off and keep only 45K PE. Forty-four 600 C. Added to my list. It broke. It broke. So we have a downside breakout. That's good. It's became a doji. Hi Vijay, very good morning. I think it's fine for those of you who might want to take little risk. Wait for it to reach somewhere around 900 levels to enter into the put side. Very small quantities, maybe you can try, because the larger trend looks like it's going down. Why I am, being very quick in saying the put side is because this is the first 15 minutes candle and this candle has broken it. Whether it is going up or not, that's not a concern. The side that clearly it broke is on the downside. So I would call this as like uh, an opportunity for sell on rise. Thanks, Vijay. Actually, I was having the regular setup with my mush everything, but my baby wanted to hug and sleep, but then this one was poking her very badly. So I thought, okay, let me just shave. Uh, that's amazing. See, it's actually, I think we should jump onto the put side. Um, I'll enter in with some small quantities, maybe. Yep, entered in 45,000 put. I have entered. Hey Abhishek, hi. Very good morning. What happened to you? Nothing. I just did a full shave. Nothing happened. Just my specs is all broken. Apart from that, yeah. I am entering into the put side with, okay, this is what I have done. I have entered into the put side, 45,000 put, somewhere over here. It's currently at loss, like 4 rupees. Why I entered here is that this particular candle gave me a confirmation that it has made a new low, and data is also like suggesting down. Purix Music is saying John Legend. Funny. Uh, yeah, thanks Abhishek and Vijay. Um, People do tell that whenever I clean shave, looking up. Plus, yesterday I went out to order my new specs. It will be delivered in 4 or 5 days. So I will just try to stretch as much as I can without straining my eyes, just in case if I feel any sort of pain or difficulty in looking at the screen for long hours, then I might have to end the stream a bit earlier. So otherwise, let's keep going as long as I trade and I don't feel any discomfort with my eyes, I will be streaming. Put is quickly disappearing, giving me about 8 rupees loss. For what, I don't know. That too, even ITM strike. It's not gaining much. And trust me, one more candle breaking this low, we are in for a ride, because once that confirmation happens, right? Then we can continue to hold on for next couple of hours. No problem. It will continue to take that direction. All I need is that confirmation. Okay, let's chart it down, because I cannot go on saying the same thing. Um, no trade zone between 44 925, and what was the low? Uh, 44 850. So very clear, right? What happened? 30 minutes into the trade, we have already written what we are going to do. We will not be changing this game plan, right? This is what it is. This is what I am going to do. Market may show some green candles here. I don't really care. As long as it's not breaking the day's high, I am not considering call side. Okay. Second, uh, as long as it stays here, I don't have to worry because I have a positional writing, uh, short straddle of 44,800 of this week. So I'm happy with that. Whatever it is going to pay me off, that's going to be taken care of this zone. Now, positionally, I don't carry anything because I am expecting some sort of breakouts from this juncture in this week. So I'm not carrying anything positionally. Just on a weekly basis, I have taken a short straddle. That's going on well. And intraday basis, if it's going to break this, I will be playing directional. Already, I have taken a directional position because it has given me some 65-70 percentage of confirmation that's going to be on the downside. Just to be little risk taking, I have already entered. Okay, but no, it's not needed. It's not needed for everybody to enter here. The next confirmation is when it breaks this uh, orange, then you should see a clear downside moves happening for at least next 90 minutes to 2 hours. Okay. These sort of, uh, defining of our game plan for the day will help us, will calm our mind. If we don't have these things, clear plan, suddenly you see a green candle, you will enter. Again, next red candle you see, you will exit. It will be a very messy trade, and despite opportunities, you will be losing money. So yesterday it was like a lot of play could have been done, but unfortunately my specs was broken and I had to go outside to order new one and some things to take care of. I was not able to make most of it. I did well. I did well. Shouldn't complain about that. But I could have optimized it and maximized if I had been there and with my usual setup. Um, yesterday was a clear range play. Oh, this is a silent move. Already, has moved to profitability. This put side. It's funny because when it was here, it has gone down by 12 rupees, but when it is here, it's already like 2 rupees plus. Don't understand how the put moves are happening. Suddenly, the premiums are getting jumping actually, jumping. Oh, that's the break, and now that's a confirmation. Now that's a confirmation that I was talking about. I don't care if the next candle is green, as long as it's making newer lows. We know for sure that it's going down. So this is the confirmation we have been waiting for. Enjoy the ride for next 2 hours. It's going to go down, unless otherwise some. Yeah, hope there are no corporate news today, right? Any corporate news awaited? So we know that the direction is most likely going to be on the downside. Should we be like taking a position on the put side and then waiting for next 2 hours just because I said that we will uh, have the downside trend continuing? Should we wait for the next couple of hours? What do you think? These are great opportunities for fresh entries. They have given a confirmation and then they have gone up. I'm going to add some more lots to this. Okay. So Divya says that yes, we should wait. Um, in Yeah, I think waiting is not wrong. Just that if you're feeling that 25 points you are getting super quick, you should take that. Okay, because market will not straight go down. It will be making, see, every candle you see there is a wick, right? So which means it's not going to be rewarding if you wait till the end of the. Probably it will be rewarding, but you could make more if you can capture the points and then re-enter. Okay, that's the way to optimize. Again, the drama continues. Stop loss. Uh, Stop loss is always a challenge. Um, Stop loss, I would say that I don't know what would be the stop loss, but then for me, range is very important. For me, um, let it cross this 925 and make a new high. Until then, I'm not going to exit, right? Uh, so if it goes here and then the value of the premium has gone by 70 rupees, I don't know. I will still be holding it because uh, for me, this will be the stop loss. I am playing a higher stop loss because anything in between will be like it unnecessarily will be closing the trade. In a low wicks environment, lot of stop loss hunting will be there. So I'm not the best man when it comes to defining stop loss for buyers. As a seller, I can give you certain directions, but here my stop losses would be usually larger. That's why I'm able to also make or lose big. Reason is that when you play a higher stop loss, all the noises in between can be avoided. Sometimes it's only a spike and then it goes down the very next candle, hunting all your stop losses. Then the trend continues. Then you get triggered. You feel that, oh my god, I've been on the right side, but my stop loss entered, and then market would have gone over here, like it would have made a sudden red candle over here. Then you will enter it at a higher price. Then, despite catching the trade right, hunting of stop losses is going to spoil our psychology. So rather give a higher stop loss, and that's my style. Maybe if you're not comfortable that level, probably you might want to consider at least this level. You know, 900. Let's say 900. So you define your stop loss, but surely. mm you strictly stay to that. For me, my stop loss would be this. I would change the color to not red, blue. That would be my stop loss. Mhm. Already like 20 points lower than what I where I got into the put side. I have averaged some more quantities at this level. Mhm. See, what they are doing is premium erosion because in this zone it's only erosion. So when you see this large candle, I don't have to change my view. I know this is only a consolidation to eat the premiums. I will not be excited about the call side moves till it clears the day side. Okay, so you can go with some great green candle, or it can become next one can become a super red candle. Doesn't matter as long as it breaks either side. The directional view is not going to change. I am on the put side, and I will change my view once it clears the eye. Okay, whatever is the loss, book it, and then I will switch my view later. Oh, some issues, and then it got squared off. Strange. Oh God. Hope the glitch didn't cost you much. Oh, that's some serious moves. Book some profits from the call side. Okay, that's nice. That's nice, Furix music. Mhm. So it has taken a swing at the base and then it jumped up. Not much. It's just going. Is it going to break the day's high? If it does, then yes, we got to change our view. So if it just clears, should we immediately change the view or wait for another candle? Ah, it cleared. It cleared. So it made a new high, but then this particular candle is very important for me. As long as because it went clearly and then it broke, formed a new low, and then it goes on to clear the high. And if it comes down, then we know that it's going to be a range play, right? And we don't have to quickly exit and then book the losses. Then you'll feel cheated. So I would give another candle to see whether it is continuing to make a newer high and then going up, or it's going to come down. Depending upon that, reactions, we will decide. Correct, Divya. Better to wait because clearly one of our considerations is that it was like clearly making downside. Took a support after breaking a low. It went on in the next two candles. It went on to make the high. Now we don't have to be jumping on the call side. It could be a trap. Maybe they are trying to erode the premiums, maintaining in this. So we don't know what is the game, right? Have to be patient. See, this is why it's important to wait because if you have jumped looking at those green candle, you think that it's going to go up. I've been really losing money on both the sides. It's okay. Any which ways, put side I have entered in and I'm losing money. Let me lose it when things are confirmed, right? Whatever be the loss, book it and call it a day. Maybe you see some better opportunities to cover it. You get it. But honestly, at this point, I didn't even average. I didn't even average. I took somewhere one over here and another one over here. But when it reached here, I didn't do anything. I just left it because if it is going to change into green and then continue to go up, then unnecessarily that trade will also be losing money. I didn't do anything over there. Mhm. Yes, UT1 is doing good. That's right, Pat. Strangely, this is despite the downside moves, puts are not increasing. Very strange. It's ready to lose premium, but when the fall happens, the ITM strikes are not gaining. What do we do? See, from 310, it has gone to 260. But when the market is coming here, it is still at 270, right? Hardly like 10 points gain, but it has lost 40 points, right? That's very strange. So the length of green candles are extremely high as compared to the red candle. Mm, then it's also like picking up great momentum. Should we change the weave? Not until it clears and sustains above this. So still I will hold on and not change anything at this point. I think it is all to rattle the put holders, I believe. Just that they are trying to scare off, and as soon as you exit your positions, looking at the puts are not appreciating much. Uh, Maybe once huge volumes have exited, then they may drag it down. But it's all very speculative. Scientifically, if you have to see, it has to break this and go higher. If it has to go higher and sustain some candles above this, or if it has to break this and go down, then consistently it has to take one direction. Here is a no trade zone. Oh, you exited. I entered over here and still waiting. Maybe you would have entered much later. Um, Second candle broke. Hmm. I see. So it again made another spike. Same as we see this increasing, wick over here. This is another one. But here the real body itself is trading. So it's really showing what is saying bearish. Can't really understand what's happening. Whether the tool is having some issues, or chart is having some issues, or price is having some issues. I have no idea. There is no correlation. Mm, mm, mm. Hi, how do you make those levels? Do you have use any indicators? Shivam Solanki. No, I don't use any indicators. These are called FASP levels, which I draw and post it. Um, just if you follow me on TradingView, you'll be getting notification as soon as I post it. These levels you can mark it to your charts and then use it for your intraday trade. Yeah. Very good morning, Manu Sharma. Digital Vishu. Hi. Yes, sorry, I missed your messages, guys. I didn't realize that there is chat going on over here. So yeah, I will keep a tab around trading view discussions as well. Uh, so clearly made a new high and then it came down. Like this is how they are going to erode the premium and trap people. This is exactly why we shouldn't be exiting our positions too soon. See, despite keeping a stop loss of this, I didn't exit it because okay, this is my stop loss, fine, but let me get a confirmation that this is the stop loss I should have taken. How I get that confirmation? I would wait for the next candle. Despite it piercing through with volume and with some such momentum, I didn't exit it because I wanted some super confirmation. I don't know what these guys are up to. It looks like they are eroding the premiums on both the sides. Hi, Vishwanath Patel. Welcome. 1K today lost, Divya. So what was the glitch? Like, could you talk about what happened over there? Like, you took the position and then it got auto squared off, or what happened? Hi, Vishwanath Patel. Welcome. This is so sad. Like, despite the candles are coming like pretty fast, you know what? It is still at 273, 271, in fact. Put is not gaining at all. Don't know what to. Despite the moves, it's not gaining. So you usually trade in Nifty. Internet issues with laptop. Oh my god, pretty unfortunate. But okay, 1K is fine. You can always do a couple of trades with small quantities. get you that. No problem. Just let's focus on the opportunities. Forget about what you lost, because once you lost it, it's gone. It's in the market. And claim that. Let's look for other opportunity. Right. Going to take some small quantities to do some scalp between that. Okay. So one thing is very clear: whether calls are appreciating or not, but puts are just disappearing. That's pretty sad. Data is also saying that it is like short covering rally now. Long build up, it says right now. Oh, that's massive move. That's absolutely massive. I think now we should look for call entries. Definitely, switching of weaves is important. Just that the premiums are also like holding up on the call side, and the put side is just disappearing. So what I would do is I will not close this put. Rather, I would enter into the call side trades now. Just make it into like long straddle or something. Um, Let me just get into this. Fine. Mhm. I should just take this. Leaving the positions for. I have taken some calls. So it's already like broken, and then it's consolidating a bit. But let's see. So I have entered into this call side, right? Just that I have doubled my quantities in order to deal with the losses from the put side and converted this into a strap. So reclaimed 45K, just pierced through. Let's see. Mhm. So clearly it has taken out and rallied up. Now maybe these things wouldn't make any sense. Let's remove them to keep the charts clean. It broke and then it's making new highs, getting rejections at the UT2 levels. Um, so it turned into red. Funny. say I'm not closed my puts, rather I have taken double quantities of calls. Okay, uh, converted this into a strap. Reason is that um, as long as this momentum continues, I will continue to ride on and then cut my losses. But at the same time, when I see that there is a reversal opportunity, I will play on the put side as well. So mm, something strange is happening because the put side, even with this candle, the put values was increasing and the call values were decreasing. I don't know what is the issue with the chart and the price movements. It's not really syncing. Again, firing up. Good. That's it. Going up. I have already got into profits. Outstanding. I think this is a great. Okay, I got it. There is some challenge here. Exit. None. So I have really made a kill out of this. I went with double quantities of call from my puts, so was like able to clearly get into good profits and exited the trade. Right now, so was able to just close out the trade with 40K profits. It went to almost like a loss of around 85K, 90K. When I was on the put side, I was holding somewhere around 150 lots with various averages. But then with the double buying of the calls, and I was able to bring it to 40K profit and exit. Oh my God, Abhishek, you were. I didn't know that you were. You have taken any positions. I know that Divya had taken some positions, and then um, other people have taken some positions, but then I didn't know that you were on the good side. Oh my God, lost 1,000 per lot. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, hope you didn't take pretty big quantities. Um, sure, through the day you will have more opportunities. Um, since it has already rallied, I am thinking of doing one more thing. Since it's not going to be erosion day, at least on the call side. Um, See, one thing is very clear. Even before this move happened, I said if 45K is reclaimed, then bulls will really take it over from here, and market would rally further higher. A very high chance. Now bears are like done. I think they missed their bus. They had an opportunity with this consolidation. They should have taken it down, try to break this lows, and then take it to this levels. This is what they should have attempted. At least like 44K, they should have attempted. But it's very silly that despite having this opportunity to cross, they missed it. Now bulls will not leave this. They will just take it further from here. Having said that, um, anything can happen, right? Like I wanted to do a long straddle. At this juncture, I wanted to do long straddle because that will be rewarding. Whether it climbs up, say today, how many points it has climbed up? 200 points, correct? It can be like 500 points of recovery or 700 points of recovery. Still, more up moves might come. Or if it is going to come down, no problem. I want to have a long straddle just to ensure that we are riding on the correct side. Oh, all right. What I would really consider right now is to take something like over 800. Hey guys, just look at this. One, two, three, four, five, six. Usually 7 candles later there should be one red candle. So you might want to wait for dip to enter into the call side. Seriously, some sort of pullback will be there, and that we can use as a good buying opportunity. If you want to play directional calls, then yeah. What's the time? It's only 10:40. They have already rallied up. I think a lot of up moves are there, guys, because so soon that they have given a short covering rally, the bull and it has entered into the bull's territory. 45K, I clearly mentioned even before the move as happened in the morning. As we started the stream only, we said if 45K is reclaimed, then bulls will take over. So they have already taken over in the at 10:45 itself, even before 10:45. Very high chances for the market to continue to go higher. So So I have initiated a long straddle over here of 100 rupees, 110, 120 rupees premium. And wherever it goes, fine. Hmm. See, despite knowing that the market is going up, why are we taking a long straddle? Is because um, once the market has taken a direction, look at this. If these many greens can happen, what happens if there was consecutive red candles, right? Market is always a probability and possibilities, right? Like there is a great probability for the same set of actions to be repeated on the downside as well. Now, what is the coverage? So it's okay to pay a little bit of insurance to the market to ride along safely, right? So This was one of the surprise quick rallies we had in the morning itself. Not many times we have seen such things happening. Usually, these sort of moves happen post 2 o'clock. At least the earliest that we have seen is around like 12:30. But today is like super aggressive in its move. So this is one good example why we should be playing both the sides. Clearly, it would have been a blunder if you were only on the call side. So long straddle is now giving me like 2k profit. 2k is nothing. Just at least it's giving some edge. And that's more important. And possibly, if it comes over here, I might, discard half of my puts and then ride along my calls. Possible. Oh. Yeah, good. Mhm. Guys, I would need some 10 minutes of break. Need to stretch my back and probably see what is there for food. Kind of hungry. Just allow me some 5 to 10 minutes. I should be back. At least I'll check what is there. Hello everyone, I'm back. Um Markets, taking up a little bit of consolidation at the peak over here, and you can see that the moving average has clearly moved up. So let's wait for some time. Maybe if there is any sort of quick fall to these levels, that would be a good entry into the call side if you are playing directional. But at this juncture, it looks super bullish, having reclaimed 45K too early. This looks super bullish. And okay, I think Santoshji is calling. One moment. Hello. வணக்கம் ஜி. என்ன பண்றீங்க? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Rested well. Just yeah, streaming as well as trading. நீங்க? Okay. Oh, okay. Can we catch up in 15 minutes, G? Just yeah, yeah. I will give you a call. Huh? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will give you a call. Yeah. Okay, okay. So let's check. Let's check here. I still feel that there is a great upside move still left in the market. It has just trapped and then giving a feel that it's going to come down. Maybe it would take a support at 9 EMA or 20 EMA and then continue with its rally. I don't think that the market has given up on the upside yet. Just taking a breath because it's been a straight up rally. So some consolidation and then trapping of people and might move further higher. The strategy that I have employed is to take a lesser value put, something around 110, and then take a call of 150 rupees value because I'm bullish at this juncture. So I want to give myself some sort of buffer on the upside with the moves. So 150 rupees premium can quickly become 200, and 100 rupee put can become maybe like what 70 rupees, and then it will not go further down. So that way, downside losing of money is limited to some extent with the upside continuous upside moves. But when the upside moves happens, you are able to maximize your profits. But if market comes down, yes, I will be losing on the call side, but the put side actually gives little bit of coverage at least. So that is the reason why a difference in the premium I am choosing, just to keep myself a little bit more chance to make some good money. Just come down pretty fast. So yeah, it has broken 9 EMA and almost like around 20 EMA. It found its support. I think it should just this could be a trap, and then probably they might continue to rally up. Let's check the OI data. What is OI data saying? OI data is kind of saying short covering on the put side, so saying that this is a reversal, but I think it is only a pause, only like pausing a moment. But we will wait and see. So can you explain? Okay, I have taken a long straddle, which is of differential premiums, like 100 rupees of put and 150 rupees of call, right? Because I'm bullish, and in so suddenly this fall happened. I am losing money on the call side, definitely. More I am losing on the call side, but on the put side, I am gaining something back, right? The reason why I do that is because here I squared off my put legs and then averaging my calls just in case if the market continues to rally up, then that should be good. Um, uh, just to give ourselves some sort of edge against the trend. If the market moves against the trend is clearly upside, and if it is moving against, then some coverage was there, right? So that was the logic behind taking a differential premiums. I don't want to take equal value put because whatever call is gaining, the put will lose. is clearly like taken out now. Mhm. Hi Sudesh, very good morning. Yes, it is definitely confusing. Um, they are going up and coming down. But what we need to see is that they have made a pattern and then top and then coming down here to take support over it. Right now, you got to just wait and watch how this range is being played out. Still, this is in the bullish territory. Mhm. Short covering on the put side, it's saying kind of really confusing. Mhm. Market again going down. clearly not the market that this is not a very easy market. So, yeah, huge struggle. Hmm. See, suddenly from 150 it has come to 97 rupees. I mean, completely like 50 rupees, 52 rupees got wiped off in no time. True. So these are the things that's going to be a huge, huge, huge challenge for retailers. Absolutely, like absurd moves, no continuation of trends, just reversals at any point that it feels it wants to. Kind of a challenge, but let's see. Let's read the data. Let it unfold. We'll make our decision. Reliability is a very, very big concern here. Data, you cannot really take it at its face value. Things are like going super fast. Right? Like before even you could act upon, the data keeps changing. Suddenly, from short covering rally on the call side to put side, the switch was only hardly like 10 minutes, and then everything like flipped, right? So extremely challenging for option buyer.
Yes, absolutely. It's a tough day. No doubts about it. Uh, it's swinging so badly. The premiums are also like fluctuating both on the call side and the put side. Uh, Keeping up is very difficult. Who knows? There could be a sudden again, upside rally. Uh, They are just simply trying to get this clear. Superb, Vishwanath Patel. Please do skip the day. It's not an ordinary day. It's playing out very weirdly. It will be very tough. And whatever you made, just book it and exit. Uh, because from profits, again, I have entered into loss now. It's kind of super challenging. So positionally, Park has taken a butterfly spread. Continuously, it's going down now. What a strange day. Made all the way up, and then within some 20 minutes, it has come down. I think there is a huge trap being going on. They are not going to give away any easy money. It's going to be really crazy day. Please be watchful. Guys, I have to also go out today, and there are a few things to deal with. Please do watch the levels carefully. I don't know what the game plan is now. It's going down again. Clearly going down. Oh, not sure, Abhishek, why that happens. Uh, which one you are trying? Is it Trade Smart or is it some other broker? Just a moment. Actually, there is some sort of things I have to deal with now. Sorry about it. I got to really rush because next platform from. I think that should work. I'm a little surprised why it's not working out. Uh, there is one sort of doctor appointment. I have to take my wife, so maybe second half we will try to catch up if I can return soon. Otherwise, call it a day. My position is also running in loss right now. Need to address a few things over here. Anyway, we'll again see to resume it in the afternoon. If not, I will catch up tomorrow. Thanks everyone for joining in. Sorry, it's been a very short stream, but I got to really go. Yeah, sure, Abhishek. Yeah. So take care, guys.